Hi everyone, this is Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we are going to discuss the causative verbs. As you know, we are talking about the causative verbs and we have already completed them, and today we are going to discuss the difference between causative verb help, let and cause. Before starting that, there is a note we will be talking about. There are 26 causative verbs, out of which 6 are structure based and most important, whereas others are used as causative verbs. Keep in your mind the causative verbs are total 26 in number and structure based, means they are according to formula. There are some 6 causative verbs and which we have already talked about. And what are the causative verbs which are 26? Make, get, have, help, let, cause, motivate, lead, inspire, permit, persuade, convince, bribe, beg, encourage, pay, allow, enable, keep, hold, force, require, say, tell, ask, assist. These are the causative verbs, and we have already discussed about these 6. The first one is causative verb make, second is get, third is have, fourth is help, fifth is let, and sixth one is cause. In these all causative verbs, we talked about their definition and we made almost 1000 sentences for each. And today we are going to discuss the difference between the last three. First three we have already discussed, that what is the difference between verb make, causative verb make, get, have, and today we'll be talking about causative verb help, let, and cause. So this is the today's topic, that is difference between causative verb help, let, cause. Now whatever I've written in red here, one thing should be in your mind, these are used for your to plus first form of the verb, and others I've used there you'll be using first form of the verb. To plus first form of the verb is known as full infinitive, and first form of the verb when it works as a noun is called bare infinitive, and that is your uh, bare infinitive, which is written in blue. So red is full infinitive and the blue is bare infinitive. So by the causative verb, let me tell you the first difference, that causative verb help is used when we assist someone to do a work, when we assist someone to do a work, and it is used when we give permission to a person to do a work, and it is used when we cause someone to do a work. That is the difference, when helping someone, giving permission to someone, and causing someone or something to be done. Difference number second, causative verb help is used for person. Both the formulas are used for person, and one thing should be in your mind, here you will be using it as full infinitive, also correct. Bare infinitive, it is also correct. Now the formula for that, subject plus auxiliary verb plus causative verb plus someone plus to plus first form of the verb means full infinitive, object, and full stop. Here subject, auxiliary verb, causative verb, someone, first form of the verb means bare infinitive, object, and full stop. So one difference, you can see that it is used for both as full infinitive as well as bare infinitive. I told you full infinitive means to plus first form of the verb, and bare infinitive means only first form of the verb. Now it can be used in with all tenses and with all modal auxiliary verbs, and I have already shared the link in description box where causative verb help, let, and cause each I have made some thousand sentences, changed it with all tenses, with all modal auxiliary verbs. You can get a lot of ideas there. Now if we look at the sentences of causative verb help, it is used for full infinitive as well as with bare infinitive. Now the sentences are, I help him to take admission, I help him take admission. Both are right. If you want to use it as full or as bare infinitive, you can use it both. Now, you helped her to clear CSS, you helped her clear CSS. Now see, both are used as full infinitive as well as bare infinitive. She will help you to pass the test. She will help you uh, pass the test. To plus first form or only the first form. So it can be used as full infinitive and as bare infinitive. Next sentence, we are helping poor people to learn skills, and we are helping poor people learn skills. So it can be used for both as full infinitive as bare infinitive. They were helping us to write in English. They were helping us write in English. It is used both as full infinitive and as bare infinitive. He has helped me to play chess. He has helped me play chess. It can be used for full infinitives as well as bare infinitives. So this should be in your mind. It is used for the full infinitive as well as for the bare infinitive. So this is known as the causative verb help. It is used for full infinitive as well as bare infinitive. Now one thing should be in your mind, that whatever I've written in red, it is used for full infinitive, it is used for bare infinitive. Here you can see. But causative verb let me tell you, it is used only with bare infinitive. First form of the verb, first form of the verb. Whether your formula is for someone or for something, you'll be using only first form. And causative verb cause is used whether for someone or something, there you will be using full infinitive. So it is both. Help is both full and bare infinitive. Let is only bare infinitive, and cause is only full infinitive. Sentences: I let him take admission in university. You let her go to bazaar. She will let them play cricket. We are letting you drive the car. They were letting us sit in office. He has let them practice in ground. Now you can see over there: take, go, play, drive, sit, practice. Bare infinitive. Only first form of the verb is used. Now with something, again the formula will be same. I let TV watch. You let computer use. She will let car drive. We are letting crickets play. They were letting plants grow. And he has let cycle ride. Now I have seen let him come, not let him to come. If you are using to with let, it will be wrong. Let him come, let's play cricket, let's to play cricket, wrong. This should be in your mind only bare infinitive. And here in formula I've written someone. So what is your someone over there in this sentence? Him, her, them, you, us, them, and something: TV, computer, car, cricket, plants, cycle. So over there you can see that this is known as your causative verb let, only with bare infinitive you'll be using. Next we have got the causative verb cause. It is only used with uh, your full infinitive. I've written it in red. So to plus first form of the verb. Formula: whether it is for person or thing. Subject, auxiliary verb, causative verb, someone. To plus first form of the verb. Object is optional whether you want to use or not. Object and full stop. And formula, okay, sentences are: bad food causes people to die. Now see, to die is your full infinitive. You cause them to fight with each other. Now again full infinitive. She will cause you to paint the wall. Again full infinitive. We are causing them to do the works. Again full infinitive. Bad weather was causing him to vomit. Again 2 plus first form full infinitive. And he has caused them to beat you. Again 2 plus first form of the verb full infinitive. For something, again you will be using the full infinitive. Formula: subject, auxiliary verb, causative verb, something, 2 plus first form object, full stop. Flood causes fields to destroy. To destroy is your 2 plus first form. Earthquake cause buildings to collapse. 2 plus first form of the verb. Rain will cause roofs to drop water. 2 plus first form to drop. Eater is causing room to be hot. Again 2 plus first form of the verb to be. And accident was causing cars to get. To get is your full infinitive, damaged. And storm has caused sea water to enter the cities. Now to enter is your full infinitive. So causative verb help is used for only person, and it is used as full infinitive as well as bare infinitive for both. But let is used only with bare infinitive, you'll be using the bare infinitive only first form, whether someone or something. And causative or cause, where we cause someone to do a work, it is used full infinitive, whether for someone or something. So this is today's lecture, difference between the causative verb help, let, cause. I told you I've already mentioned the detail of causative verb help, let, and cause, and again I've shared the links, you can go for their detail. But difference, I hope you got about all of them. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.